So a lot of announcements are expected in Union Budget related to insurance sector, and most important one is related to reforms in insurance industry, which is related to Insurance Act amendment. So as per our sources, in budget speech, FM is likely to give mention about the Insurance Act amendment at the earliest. This will be a big reform in insurance sector, because we have seen that draft bill of insurance Act has suggested about the composite license, reducing the minimum capital requirement for new insurance company, flexibility in solvency ratios as per the business of company, and value-added services can be provided by insurance companies. So after the Insurance Act amendment, insurance companies will be able to offer many services under the composite license. Like a single insurance company will be able to offer general insurance, health insurance, motor insurance, property insurance, life insurance. In last press conference of quarterly result, LIC chairman has also mentioned that after the new government formation, a composite license would be reality, and LIC would wish to venture into health insurance. Presently, LIC is selling only fixed benefit services, but after the getting the composite license, they will be able to offer indemnity health product also, because they already have a 14 lakh agents, and as being the biggest insurer of the country, they will be able to capture the health insurance market also. That announcement is likely to get a mention in budget speech. Other than that, we will see that scope and coverage of Ayushman Bharat health insurance scheme, which is the flagship scheme, health insurance scheme of Government of India, which provide the insurance coverage of 5 lakh to 50 crore BPL. So that also is likely to get increase in scope, because it was mentioned in BJP's manifesto that all the senior citizens above the 70 years of age will get a free health insurance coverage of 5 lakh. So in that regard also, the overall outlay will increase for Ayushman Bharat scheme, which is presently around 7,500 crore, so which will cross the 10,000 crore mark also. So overall, insurance company will also get the money in form of premium. And another one is related to the launch of National Health Claim Exchange. So for framework of National Health Claim Exchange has completed, and it will be a game changer in the health insurance space. So that launch also likely to get a mention in budget speech. So couple of announcements expected in budget related to insurance industry, and most important one is the Insurance Act amendment, which will pave the way for composite license for insurance industry.